Hello YouTube, this is Mila and you're watching How To with Malaysians. Welcome back guys. Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to one of my followers, Lulu. She recreated the Pier 1 import dupe and hers came out fabulous. Thank you for sharing the video with me. It really inspired me and motivated me and made me feel like I'm in the right direction. So thank you. Also, Mom, look what I have around my neck. It's your gift. I'm sorry I haven't sent any videos, but I think it's beautiful and it looks great on me, so thank you. It's a great gift. And welcome back to my Skeleton Halloween Home Decor series. Of course, I'm going to be using more Dollar Tree products like this guy here and this guy here. If you notice, this is a soap dispenser. And this is really simple. My husband made a hole in the bottom for me and on the top, and we put in a hand sanitizer because I actually tried to go online to buy a skull soap dispenser, but I didn't like the pricing, so I figured this could be something that I can recreate with you guys. Now you can see the hand sanitizer bottom, but that's perfect because when you put it down, it's stable and you can use it for what it's intended for, as a hand sanitizer dispenser or a hand soap dispenser. But of course I'm gonna make mine different. I'm gonna decorate it, paint it, because I have a sugar skull theme in my bathroom, so that's what I'm gonna stick with. But as I always say, that's my decor, and everything I do you don't have to replicate. You can do it as, you know, extravagant as you want it, as minimum as you want it, as rustic as you want it. Whatever your home decor is, that's pretty much what you should stick to. I'm just giving you ideas and solutions of my own that I'm doing around my house to save some money. And the second, so I'm going to be doing that over voiceover, and so will the other skeleton project. I prefer the voiceover because it's allows me to save you some time watching my video, so I can make it really short. And I will make sure that you can see everything I'm doing, because I did get feedback and people want to see everything I'm doing, so I will make sure everything is being recorded and it's clear and you can see it. And finally, oh my goodness, thank you for your patience. I know that my video has been bad quality and I've been working through it and trying to resolve it, and I did make some purchases. But guys, I'm gonna be frank with you, I'm not going to invest hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars on equipment just yet. As my channel grows, so will the equipment, but for now I just want to make it, you know, as clear and straight to the content as I possibly can. So thank you for your patience and sticking around. I promise it's only gonna get better, and I love you guys. So stay tuned. Before we jump into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It does keep my channel going, and just come back because I said so. Anyway, love you guys.